Hello, my little artist. I'm Sasha. Bring your paper and marker and let's draw together. Wow! Come on, let's draw Angel together. I'm excited to see your drawings of me.
Grab your marker and let's start. Today we're going to draw Angel. Let's start by drawing a big smile near the top middle of the paper. Now, we need to close the smile on the top with an upside down letter U shape. Let's draw a small upside down smile inside the face. And then letter U shape with two little holes inside. Now let's move on to the eyes. We're going to draw two shapes that look like almond, one on each side. Inside each eye, draw two little white circles in the middle to make them look shiny and bright. Then, carefully, color the rest of the eyes. But remember, don't color the two white circles. Now, around each eye, draw another big almond shape. This one goes all the way around the eye, just like an outline. Then, let's add eyelashes or eyeliner on the top of both eyes. Do a curve above the two eyes and the nose. Let's add a big happy smile. Draw a wide curved line and from each side draw two short lines. Below that smile, add a small curve and connect the smile to the nose. It's time to draw the ears. Start with one long smooth slide-like line going up. Then bring it down gently. Add two wavy lines, one up and one down, and a curved line at the top to close the ear. Inside the ear, connect the two lines together. Now let's draw the other ear, the same way we did with the first one. A big curved slide up, two wavy lines that meet in the center, and one curved line on top to give it a round shape. Now we'll draw the horns. Start behind each ear with a slightly tilted line going up, then curve it back down. Now draw another line going up again, curve it and down. Bend it backward, just like this, just like a cute twisty horn. Do exactly the same with the other side. Now let's draw a line from the head down. Draw the line down a little more, curve it gently, and bring it back up. That's one arm. Then do the same thing on the other side. And after we finish, we need to add the nails on each hand. And they look like a curved line. Now let's draw a big circle beside the hands. This will be the feet. And smaller circle inside them. We'll do also a nails, and we need to connect the feet together with a small curve. Then we'll draw a half circle on the tummy. Let's connect both arms to the top of the neck. And finally, let's draw some hair on the chest area. Just a few. Perfect, you're doing an amazing job. Let us add 2 curves above the eyes. Finally, it's time to color.
Like and subscribe.
We'll start by coloring the whole body with a pink. Be careful, always stay inside the black lines, so your drawing looks clean and neat. Next, take a purple color for the nose and a light pink for the tummy, the ears, around the eyes and the mouth. Now we'll need a darker purple to color the nose. Now it's time for shading. Add a few darker pink lines along the sides for shadows. And my little artist, remember, what makes you a unique artist? It's your unique drawings. So keep it up, practice, and have fun. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to share it with your friend.
Wow, your drawings look amazing! Don't forget to share your drawings on Instagram stories with Sasha. I'm sure you have enjoyed drawing today. Like and subscribe for our next lesson. Bye, see you next time!